In this extra question, in figure, arcs are drawn by taking vertices A, B and C of an equilateral triangle of side 10 cm to intersect the side BC, CA and AB at their midpoints D, E and F. Find the area of shaded region, for which we have to use pi is equal to 3.14. The given figure is something like this. We have an equilateral triangle A, B and C, and using the vertices A, B and C, arcs are drawn to intersect the side BC, CA and AB at their respective midpoints D, E and F. So D is the midpoint of BC, E is the midpoint of CA and F is the midpoint of AB. So here the arcs are drawn something like this. So we have to find the area of the shaded region. Leaving this area. Okay. Now, since the triangle ABC is equilateral triangle, that implies angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C. All are equal to 60 degree each. So if we have to find the area of the shaded region, we have to find the area of three sectors. Okay. And so the sector, the radius will be equal to half of the side of triangle ABC. So as the side of triangle AB is equal to BC is equal to CA, all are 10 centimeter each. Therefore, the radius will be equal to 5 centimeter, as D, E and F are the midpoints. That implies area of shaded region is equal to 3 into area of sector. That is equal to 3 into theta by 360 into pi r square. So 3 into 60 upon 360. The value of pi 3.14 and the r radius is 5 into 5. So here we can cancel 6 was a 6 is a 36. We remove the decimal to get the 100. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, and we divide this. 2 ones are 2, 157. So here we get 157 into 25 upon 100. We will not divide 100 because it will be useful in plotting decimal. So let us multiply 125 into 25. So 25 sevens are 175. It is 17. 25 5 is 125 and plus 17 is 142. 25 ones are 25 plus 14 is 39 upon 100. So the area of shaded region equal to 39.25 centimeter square.